welcome to my YouTube channel, Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger based in Italy. Good morning, guys. So guys, I'm just coming back, from Modena. I went to buy my meat, machinate, grinded meat for my meat pie. This time around, I will not be using chicken pie because chicken pie costs a lot, The meat costs a lot. And I'm always buying it in bulk. So, this meat I'm using before, my husband normally buys for ragu for my children if I want to make their ragu. But I prefer this, for my meat pie. And now I'll go on now and divide it. This one will cost me 20 euro 50 cents, Okay guys, and also bought this Halloween cap for baby Alex. I have a lot. I have like 4 or 5, but I have already sent it to Nigeria for my niece. So he's not going to see it now. And I also bought this for my dog. Where is it? So this Halloween is certificate. Hey, I just bought this for. I don't even need it. I already have this, but it's 3-in-1 for my fish pie. I'll be using this big one. I don't need this too. For small chops. And also bought this for micron. My own maid said it's the day before yesterday. So I bought another one to cover food in oven. In micron, not So that is it. So I will go on now and I'll have this cap somewhere. I'll add this somewhere. Yeah, maybe Alice will be seeing it. So that is it. So let me divide my meat. So guys, how you all doing? That is it. Guys, I'm so happy this morning. A lot of people have already started this my business after making video saying women that stay in my city, that let them start doing something, little by little you'll be growing. That's me. More to go you help us out business. So that is it. So I'm so happy because some people have a commission to more of us. Comedy share, accommodate here, So that is it. So let me go on now and tie my grinded meat for my meat pie. So tomorrow, come online. Oh. Tomorrow I'll be live. Tomorrow, being Friday. So tomorrow I'll be making 25 pieces of meat pie and 13 pieces of egg roll. I think I'll carry you along. Or carry you along when I'm missing my meat pie. I haven't shown when I'm missing my meat pie. But I don't think none. For now, no. But I'll carry you along on my life when I'm making my meat pie and my egg roll tomorrow. This is order. Not that making it for my kids. It's selling. I'm selling it. It's not small money. In the enter. My business, they enter. You want to go? So let me go on and find my meat. there. So there is it. I'm weighing it too. The way things is cost now. Business, you have to be careful. Try to conquer this way. This is the biggest 5. Guys, continue washing. Can you see? Nigerian egg roll is ready. Then I have my meat pie. Thanks for watching. I still have a little bit. Yes, it's noise. I wake up 4:30 in the morning to start making mine. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger based in Italy. Good afternoon, guys. I'm just coming back from work, so let's make lunch. Come on, guys. I'm still taking my breakfast. Cereal. What's cereal in English? Confidence. Okay, yeah. No time. Mamma mia. So, okay, I have my water is boiling. I'll be making spaghetti with pomodoro and tuna. Here I have my tuna and my veggie with mozzarella. So let's put spaghetti. So my water is ready. You don't want to put too much because this spaghetti can rise, you know. Okay. So here I have my tomato. So that is it. Guys, I did a small exercise this morning before going to work. You know, so I use my sports track. Is it track? Yeah, it is up. So that is it. Because I'm gonna lose weight. I'm gonna start losing weight for summer next year. This tummy have to go down. But I'm slimming. Continue washing. Spaghetti with tuna. So let's do like this. guys, we have my puff. And here are my meat pies. Yeah. So let's fry it. So I have pepper and onions because the person wants it with pepper. You know that pepper, Nigerian pepper and onions, puff. So that's it. But I'm going to divide it too. Some for my pea, so that my oil is hot. No space here. I don't know if I see very well. This my standing is doing rubbish. I don't understand. Come here. Can you see it? So guys, let's start frying. So like this one is pepper one. Pepper Nigerian puff. I'm done. So I'll show you the inside. This is pepper one. So that's it. I'm done. So there's some cooking.